Hi folks, and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how I created this sparkly flying shuttle design. Let's go! To start the look, I've applied a base coat and 2 thin layers of Indigo Frock by C&D Shellac. I want to create a starry background for the nail art, so I'm using these holographic glitters to get the look. As you can see, I decided to use 2 shades of Blue Holo for a subtle gradient effect, so there's an added dimension to the background. I'm using the lighter blue all over the thumbnail and on the free edge of the other nails. The dark blue is going onto the cuticle half, so there's a subtle transition in colour. I want the base colour to show through, so as you can see I'm only using a small amount of glitter on the brush and I'm patting it lightly into the tacky layer without burnishing it. This application method really helped me to get the star-like effect I was after. When I was happy with the glitter placement, I gently removed any excess with a fan brush, and now I'm going to apply a layer of gel polish to seal my stars into place. Here, I'm adding yet more sparkle by using a gel polish with holographic glitter, but any sheer colour or a thin layer of top coat will work just as well. I'm not being particularly careful, so if you want to avoid glitterising your polish, remember that you need to lightly float the brush over the nail and wipe it clean before putting it back into the bottle. Once the gel polish has been cured, it's time to get the acrylic paints ready. Here are the colours I'm using. I've watered down the purple, blue and white paints to make a wash, and I've also got some pure white and black paint straight out of the tub. I'm starting off by using a fine detailer brush and a pure white paint to draw the outline of the shuttle. Next, I'm going to fill in the shape that I've created. This layer does need to be pretty opaque, and rather than going for one thick coat, I'm going to leave it thin and come in with another layer once it's dry. If you feel the paint isn't going on smoothly, quickly clean your brush in water, dry it lightly on a paper towel using a twisting motion, this helps to sharpen the point, and then pick up some fresh paint to work with. Now I'm going to start work on the galaxy, which I'm going to create by sponging the acrylic washes onto the nail. I've made this nifty little tool out of a brush protector and a small bit of cosmetic sponge. Just use the end of the brush to wedge the sponge into the protector, and voila! I'm starting on the middle finger, which will be the largest part of the galaxy. With a small amount of the watered down white, gently dab the sponge onto the nail to create a cloud-like look. I don't want this section to look opaque, so I'm dabbing the sponge onto the palette before applying to the nail, to remove any excess paint. I really like the idea of a single galaxy rather than 4 separate ones, so once I'm happy with the middle finger, I'm lining up my nails so I can continue the design across them all. While the galaxy is drying, I'm going back to the shuttle with my white paint so I've got the opaque look I'm after. This is also a great opportunity to refine the shape if it's needed. Back to the galaxy. I'm now using some of the watered down blue to add dimension to the white. Again, I'm dabbing the sponge onto the palette before applying it to the nail, so that I've got the right amount of paint to work with. I'm using the purple wash in the centre of the galaxy so that I've got a gradient that moves from purple to blue to white. I'm continuing to add and blend colour until I'm happy with the transition. Next up, I'm going to finish the shuttle by using the black paint to add detail, like the pilot's window, the nose cone and the wings. Moving on to the pinky, I'm using an orange paint to draw a circle. This will be the planet my shuttle is headed to. To complete the galaxy, I'm using a small dotting tool and some white paint to create bright stars in a spiral pattern. For my last bit of painting, I'm using white colour to create a ring around my pinky planet. To avoid smearing any of the paint, I've waited until it's completely dry and now I'm sealing everything in with a top coat. I'm making sure I'm capping the free edge carefully so the design is well protected. Once the top coat has been cured, I wiped with a cleanser and began really enjoying my space-themed design. Thanks for watching folks, please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for even more nail art designs. I'll see you next time.